Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or enable hidden education themes or background themes on your Windows 11 computer. So Microsoft does include education themes in Windows, and if you want to use it on any version of Windows 11, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling that view. And it all is saved within Windows, so you don't actually have to download anything. It's all built into the Windows operating system here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back with Registry Editor. Go ahead and right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select the File tab at the top and then select Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now that that is done, we're ready to begin. And we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. Should be a folder that says Policy Manager. So go down to that. And we're going to double click on it once we get to it. And there should be a current folder, double click on it, and then the device folder, double click on that one as well. And now when we're on the device folder, so just go ahead and left click on the device folder and then right click on it, select new, and then select key. Name this key education, exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. And then once you have done that, you want to go on the right side, again, while we're underneath education here, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value enable edu themes. First letter of each word should be capitalized, no spaces in between any of the words here. So again, enable edu themes. Hit enter. And then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and double click on this D word value. In the value data field, delete whatever's in here, probably be a 0. Type the number 1. Base should remain hexadecimal. And then you want to select OK. And then once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and restart our computer in order for the changes to take effect. And that is very important. You have to restart your computer at this time. And now that we're back in the Windows, if we were to go ahead and right click on the desktop and select personalize, should launch the themes here. We go underneath themes, and you should have additional themes to select from here as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.